This is a Harmony foot peg system. It's got a little stop here at one end, so I don't know if that you could use it to keep your. You could use it one way or the other to keep your foot peg from falling off the end or from pulling out. But I'm going to convert this to be used as a rudder steering system, and obviously you can't use it this way because it's going to lock every time you move it. And a lot of people, what they do is they'll take a zip tie and zip tie this. Well, what you're doing is you're stressing the plastic in here, and then when you take that zip tie off a year later or whatever, this is going to be stuck in this position. There's really no need for that. These Harmony foot pegs, this piece actually comes out. If you just put this against something solid like this and bump it, it just snaps off that little bar. And now you've got a sliding foot peg. What I've noticed some other people that have Harmony foot pegs in their kayaks and they're having trouble steering, it's because they're pushing from out here. If you push out here, it sticks a little bit. But if you push from down here, it slides really easy. See? So just try to keep your foot near the rail. Now you say you decide you want to put it back to where it was working before. Just slide the little hook onto that pin and then flip it the other way and hit this part on something solid. And there you go. I do have a lot of other tips and tricks. I just figured somebody might need to know how to convert their foot peg into a steering system. I'm actually in the middle of setting up a rudder system, and I thought this might be helpful to somebody who wants to convert their Harmony. That's what this is. If you have one of these and you don't know what model it is, they're made by Harmony. And check out some other videos. I've got kayak repairs, rudder systems. That whole rack is full of kayaks. I got a kayak there. I've got another one hanging over there, and I've got two more in the back of that. But that's what I do. Kayak repairs, modifications, upgrades. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you watched this far, throw me a like and a subscribe, because obviously you liked what you were watching.